Ryan from Pasadena has slab worries.
He just bought a home with a post-tension slab.
Okay.
So Ryan writes, I have 5 areas where the cable ends are exposed like this. At the very end there.
Yep.
I assume that's not the way it looked when they were put in. It looks like there was something else that was there.
They usually float over the top of it, but it's a common problem over the years.
Okay, well, the home inspector said to him that he needed to clean and seal these exposed areas. Is that a big concern, and how exactly would I do that?
It is a concern. It's been a problem with post-tension slabs for years, especially the early ones that were built, because what happens is the connectors rust, and when they rust, then the tension goes away from the cable, and then the cable is worthless just sitting inside there, not doing anything like it's supposed to. If it hasn't gone all the way to a point where it's failed, you can go ahead and wire brush it, clean it with some vinegar, some white vinegar and water, and then maybe spray paint the metal in there, and then use some Saccrete and bonding agent and go ahead and float over the top of it, and that'll at least prolong it. Eventually it's going to go.
And when it goes?
There are people who go in and retension them, but most of the time you hope nothing happens because you have so many cables in there that this one won't make that big a difference.
They don't do that anymore, do they? Still building post-tension?
They still build post-tension slabs, but now they combine it with a lot of steel.
Oh.
So you have that fudge factor of, well, it really doesn't work all by itself, but if we put enough steel in there, it'll work, and then we can just cheapen up the top on the little thin part of the slab, which really doesn't fail. It's the beams, and the beams are full of steel.
All right. You got a question? We can help you out just like that. Send us your question at HomeShowRadio.com. While you're here, check out our other videos and subscribe to our channel, please.